I want to introduce you today to this freebie. You can find this freebie in the description box below. This free download has about 74 pages. It's called A Clean Home. It's basically a housekeeping guide with recipes. Within this, there are 38 pages of homemade cleaning recipes. This guide includes cleaning routines, cleaning loops, step-by-step how to clean certain rooms, a brain dump weekly planner, an own the day daily manipulative planner, kids chore charts, and then like I said, the 38 pages of homemade cleaners. All of the cleaning things, such as the cleaning routines, loops, step-by-step how to clean, and the kids chore charts, those 4 items, all of this was created by me, but those 4 items were created by me specifically for my house. We have moved several different times, so each layout and size of our house has required different cleaning patterns. So they are specific for our house that we were living in at the time and our stage of life, whether our kids were babies, toddlers, middle-aged, like preteens, or teenagers, and now they're basically gone. The step-by-step how to clean, I created that specifically in detail for my children, and they were taking over full deep cleaning of the bathroom or their bedroom. Anyway, and I wanted to be sure that they that they did everything that was expected of them. And I had printed it out, put it in a page protector, and put it inside the kitchen cabinet or bathroom cabinet door. So whenever they were cleaning that room, they could make sure that they did everything that was expected. The brain dump is a weekly planner. It's just something that has really helped me for several years. The Own the Day is like a fun daily planner, but it's manipulative, so there's nothing set in stone. The reason I put this together for you is because I've been trying to work on cleaning files off of my various computers, and I kept finding these old cleaning routines and kids' chore charts and such, and instead of deleting them, I decided, why not share them? Maybe they might help someone. But again, remember, these are specific to my house, my family, and our stage of life. Okay, so do not feel like you have to take these and use them for your life. Okay, these were completely 100% made for my life, my house, our children, our stage of life. This whole document was a quick throw together. So I did not do any serious editing or proofreading, so you might find some typos and misspellings. I hope not, but you might. I hope the conversation style in which I wrote it makes sense. But most importantly, I hope I got the recipes right for the cleaners. And because this was just a quick throw together and just something to freely share, the cleaning routines and loops and step-by-step how to clean, all that kind of stuff, there's no blank pages where you can make your own using the format I set up. Like I said, this was just something quick to throw together. Okay, so I'll go ahead and just show you what some of the pages look like. So the first section is cleaning loops and routines. And I put the newest, the most recent plan that I'm using to the oldest. So this is the one I currently am using right now. This one just works best for me. And then I actually have it on a cabinet door inside my kitchen. And then on the back of this, I also printed this section. So this is the chore loop. So anyway, this is the one I'm currently using right now in my season of life. And here's the predecessor to that. I made this one in 2017, and I really enjoyed it. It really worked well for the season of life we were in at the moment. And this one here is house cleaning on a loop. I made this one also in 2017. So this cleaning on a loop and the kind of daily, monthly, weekly, and yearly, I really liked it, so I combined it into one, which is this one here. And here's a yearly deep down cleaning list. This one focuses on a certain area each month. So there's 12 months here. So like January, the first sentence says, just like a yearly calendar starts at the top, you should also start at the top of your house and work down. So it just kind of, goes like that. And this one I had made in 2014. The next section is how I clean my home. This page is cleaning the bathroom step by step each week. And again, this was just in detail for my children. The next page is cleaning the kitchen step by step daily. So this is at the end of the day to reset the kitchen. And the next one was how to clean a room, basically any room. Then you have a daily and weekly planner help. This is the manipulative one. And this is what goes with it. And then you have 4 different formats to choose from for the weekly planner, the brain dump. Then you have my kids' chore charts. And this one is not necessarily a chore chart. It's a checklist that I made for my oldest when she needed it at a certain point in her life. So it's just contributions. And then these next 2 have 3 copies each. And I did kind of delete, as you can see, deleted some of the specific stuff. But anyway, it was for both our girls to use. And it's just their responsibility charts. And then the last section is the 38 pages of the homemade cleaners. So in here, there's general, multi-purpose, all-room, whole house cleaners, bathroom cleaners, laundry room cleaners, in the kitchen, kitchen appliances and maintenance, floors, dusting and furniture, clear the air disinfectant, molds, mildews and smells, miscellaneous, and then cleaning with borax. The miscellaneous part, what that means is obviously it's miscellaneous. It won't fit anywhere else. But it's things like on how to clean a vaporizer, a dehumidifier, a water heater, things like that. And anyway, so this is just kind of what it looks like. Right. And there you go. Again, you can find this free download linked in the description box below.